Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to stay warm and active, check out these pants. These are women's snow pants by IUGA. I love being active outdoors, and I don't want the cold to stop me. I really am happy with these pants. They come with their own belt, and I just love the way it sits on my waist. It fits so comfortably. I love the zippers and the little splashes of orange. It has this great option where you can lift up the hem, so if you have maybe shorter or longer legs, you have that option. It's got a lining where you can actually attach these to your shoes. These are great for snowboarding boots, but I liked them also for putting it on my running shoes, so when I go running, I don't have to worry about my pants riding up and getting no cold air updraft. And I just love how many pockets that I had. They're so spacious. I can fit so much in there when I'm enjoying the outdoors. It's in the front, in the back, on the side. It can even fit my phone. And the pocket lining is so cozy. It's great for even my hands. The lining has fleece from the top all the way down to the bottom, which makes it perfect for when I'm outdoors. It's snowy, it's cold, and it's completely waterproof. It beads up and just runs right off. It is so well made, durable. I love the reinforced knees because this allows me to have amazing mobility. I can do just about anything in these pants. I'm looking forward to being able to take these out snowboarding and have a cozy, great time.
These are cozy, flexible, and so versatile. You're gonna love them. But that's just my point of view.